An InvIT has total assets worth 1,500 crore with 900 crore in completed and revenue-generating infrastructure projects and the rest in under-construction assets. SEBI regulations cap InvIT borrowings at 49% of the value of completed and revenue-generating assets. What is the maximum borrowing limit for this InvIT? And if the InvIT borrows up to this limit and pays an annual interest of 10% on borrowings, what will be the annual interest expense? Here are your options. A. Maximum borrowing 441 crore, annual interest expense 44.1 crore. B. Maximum borrowing 735 crore, annual interest expense 73.5 crore. C. Maximum borrowing 600 crore, annual interest expense 60 crore. Or D. Maximum borrowing 900 crore, annual interest expense 90 crore. Take a moment to pause the video and decide. The correct answer is Option A. Let's see why. Maximum borrowing limit equals 49% of 900 crore equals 441 crore. Annual interest expense equals 10% of 441 crore equals 44.1 crore. A REIT has an asset portfolio valued at 1,800 crore, consisting of 1,200 crore in completed commercial properties and 600 crore in under-construction properties. SEBI requires at least 80% investment in completed and revenue-generating properties. If the REIT plans to invest an additional 300 crore, how much of this amount must be allocated to completed properties to maintain compliance? Here are your options. A. 120 crore. B. 300 crore. C. 180 crore. Or D. 240 crore. Take a moment to pause the video and decide. The correct answer is Option D. Let's see why. Post-investment, total assets equals 1,800 plus 300 equals 2,100 crore. Minimum 80% in completed properties equals 0.8 into 2,100 equals 1,680 crore. Already 1,200 crore invested, so additional investment in completed properties equals 1,680 minus 1,200 equals 480 crore. Since only 300 crore is allocated, to comply, all 300 crore must be invested in completed properties. But the question asks how much must be allocated. Minimum required is 240 crore to maintain 80%. Calculation 1,200 plus X divided by 2,100 greater than or equal to 0.8, 240 crore. An InvIT pays an annual management fee of 1.5% of assets under management, AUM. If the AUM is 1,200 crore and the InvIT raises 300 crore through issuance of units, incurring issuance expenses of 2%, what is the net amount added to AUM after expenses? And what will be the annual management fee charged on the new AUM? Here are your options. A. 294 crore net addition, 22.41 crore annual fee. B. 300 crore net addition, 22.5 crore annual fee. C. 290 crore net addition, 22.35 crore annual fee. Or D. 294 crore net addition, 22.5 crore annual fee. Take a moment to pause the video and decide. The correct answer is Option A. Let's see why. Issuance expenses equals 2% of 300 crore equals 6 crore. Net addition equals 300 crore minus 6 crore equals 294 crore. New AUM equals 1,200 crore plus 294 crore equals 1,494 crore. Annual management fee equals 1.5% of 1,494 crore equals 22.41 crore. A REIT issues 10 lakh units at 250 each, with issuance expenses of 3%. Given the total asset valuation is 1,000 crore, what is the gross amount raised, net amount after expenses, and what percentage of the total asset valuation does this net amount represent? Here are your options. A. 25 crore gross, 23.5 crore net, 2.35%. B. 2.5 crore gross, 2.35 crore net, 0.235%. C. 25 crore gross, 24.25 crore net, 2.425%. Or D. 2.5 crore gross, 2.425 crore net, 0.2425%. Take a moment to pause the video and decide. The correct answer is option C. Let's see why. Gross amount raised equals 10 lakh 250 equals 25 crore. Issuance expenses equals 3% of 25 crore equals 0.75 crore. Net amount equals 25 crore minus 0.75 crore equals 24.25 crore. Percentage of total asset valuation equals 24.25 crore divided by 1000 crore into 100 equals 2.425%. An InvIT has a net distributable cash flow of 60 crore for the financial year and 10 crore outstanding units. If the InvIT declares a distribution of 90% of net distributable cash flow, what is the distribution per unit and what will be the impact on the InvIT's retained earnings? Here are your options. A. 5.4 per unit distribution, 6 crore retained earnings. B. 6 per unit distribution, 0 retained earnings. C. 5.4 per unit distribution, 0 retained earnings. Or D. 6 per unit distribution, 6 crore retained earnings. Take a moment to pause the video and decide. The correct answer is option A. Let's see why. Distribution amount equals 90% of 60 crore equals 54 crore. Distribution per unit equals 54 crore divided by 10 crore units equals 5.4 per unit. Retained earnings equals 60 crore minus 54 crore equals 6 crore.